You said, how do I get my energy back? How do I get my energy back? Well, you can get it back. I got 3 steps for you. See, because some of your tired isn't about sleep. It's about depletion. You can't rest all night. You still wake up heavy. That means your life is leaking. Your energy is leaking you all over the place. Hey, I'm Tonya Camille, and you're at Tonya Talks, where we talk about the inner journey behind the outer success. Energy doesn't just disappear. Poof. No, energy doesn't just disappear, it leaks. Where does my energy go the fastest? Is the question you should ask yourself. Is it overthinking, overgiving, people pleasing, carrying guilt, trying to be the strong one for everybody? Name your biggest leak, your biggest energy leak. And this week, you plug it with one decision. You're going to stop the leak. You say, I'm not available for what drains me. I just can't be available for what drains me. Step 1, I'm just going to stop things that drain me. Period. Step 2 is to rebuild your body's baseline. What does that mean, Tonya? It's not about perfection. It's a baseline. So do one of these things today. Water before coffee. Lemon water, preferably. It wakes up your vital organs. Warm lemon water. Protein first. I know you're saying these are all things I know, but are you doing them? 10-minute walk. 10 minutes. A lights out alarm. A time to just go and rest and be at peace. 5 minutes of stretching. I know these are all things you know. All I need you to do is just pick one. Just pick one. Pick one this week. Pick one baseline thing to rebuild yourself. That's it. That's all you need to do. And then repeat it daily for the next 7 days. And then the next 7 days, repeat it daily and pick another thing that's beneficial to you. All of those things I just mentioned helps restore your energy. And that's where step 3 comes in. Restore your spirit. Because some fatigue is spiritual weight. So ask yourself, what am I carrying emotionally that I never processed? What grief? What breakup? What trauma? What trigger? What thing is it that I'm carrying emotionally and I'm not stopped to process it so that I can totally release it? Is it grief? Is it disappointment? Is it resentment? Is it just pressure of having this thing and that thing to do? And once you dial that in, you say to yourself, I release what I can't control. I just release it. I release what I can't control. And then you say, I forgive myself for surviving. Like living in survival mode means your body's always in fight or flight. It's always tense. It's always stress. And I say this often, but I gotta say it. Disease is disease. And you can control that. So just start and say, I forgive myself for being in survival mode. For just always in survival mode. I'm going to release what I can't control. I'm allowed to take a moment. I'm allowed to recover. I'm allowed to have peace. I'm allowed. So I say to you this week, find one leak to plug. One leak to plug. One thing that's been taking your energy and you're going to stop letting it take your energy. One body baseline habit. 10-minute walk, some warm lemon water before your coffee in the morning, stretch, 5-10 minute stretch, just one body baseline, and then one spiritual restore practice. That's your 3-step energy reset. Now, if you want this laid out in one place, I've created the Back to Being Me app. Inside the app, you get the guidance and the structure. so you can actually follow through and see change. So download the Back to Being Me app today. It's in the link. It's in the show notes. Just check it out. It's free. And let's start. Restoring our energy. Let's start restoring our energy. And by the way, comment energy in the comments if you're calling your power back, if you're stopping the leak in your life. And then share this with someone who's been running on empty. Have an amazing, amazing day. And remember, restore you.